So you might be in a situation where for some reason your iOS 26.5.1 update is missing. Now, number one, the first thing to keep in mind is that this update is only available for the iPhone 17s, iPhone 17e, and the iPhone Air. It is not available on any other iPhone. So if you're going through and trying to get it involved in any other iPhone, that is not going to be the case. So keep that in mind. You're only going to be able to use it on these particular iPhones like the iPhone 17s. So if you are trying to get it on an iPhone 16 or below, it's not going to work. Now, another thing, make sure you're connected to some sort of Wi-Fi connection or internet connection as always. That's probably going to be one of the biggest things here too. So go through and double check that you've connected to a Wi-Fi connection or a cellular connection, and then make your way back into your general settings. So open up general and then go through, click on software update, which is right over here. And then what you're going to want to do is just make sure that your software is up to date. That is another very important major thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about as well, because that is also going to be another very big thing I'd recommend doing. So go through, make sure that's not the case here. That can be another very important thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about as well. If that's not working, you can also try going through and try restarting your iPhone too. So go through, hold the volume up button and the power button, slide the power off, give it a few moments, power back on, and that should probably end up fixing the problem for you too. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.